Cube.
Yes, today I'm solving this Rubik's Cube. So I think start.
Yes.
Now I'm doing the first layer.
This one.
Yes.
You're doing it great. Yes, I'm good at puzzling, Didi.
Yes.
Wow, you are so great at doing things.
Thank you.
Wow, you are doing so greatly. I don't know about these moves. You know about these moves, but I don't know about these moves. You're so great and talented.
Okay, this is great. Now I'm doing second layer.
This red first.
Okay. Okay, I have finished the second layer. Now move to the third layer. Kinjal, what are you doing?
Didi, I also want to learn it.
Okay, I will teach you. And as well as the friends too. Kinjal, say something.
Didi, what's this glittering in Dad's hand? It's Mom's phone. Didi, you are so talented.
Thank you.
And you are so... I don't know about these moves.
Oh, I will tell you.
Yes.
And I will teach you and friends too. Now, I will do this.
Didi, I want to tell you something.
Yes, tell me.
My key is down.
Okay, we will take them.
Didi, you are so talented and doing things.
Thank you.
And you are so easy about them.
Okay. Kinjal, I have made the corners too. Now for the row. Okay?
Here's some corners left in the back.
Okay.
Didi, you are so good. It's so funny. Look at here.
This is funny. Okay.
Didi, you are so talented.
You have said this 5 times.
Yes, so talented.
Okay.
Oh no!
You are so talented.
Thank you.
It's so funny. You are so talented.
Oh no!
Now for the edge pieces. Okay, Kinjal? Okay.
Didi, you are so talented.
Thank you.
What's this? It's so funny. Do you see you are funny?
I have done, friends. See?
I'm so proud of you, Didi.
Ah, thank you.
I don't know.
Okay, I will teach you in my next video.
Yes.
You and friends too. Okay, till then, bye-bye everyone. Subscribe to our channel and the bell button and like it. Bye.